main interface of the system. Press and hold the power button on the side of the instrument. After the instrument is turned on, it will enter the main menu interface. The main interface includes crack depth detection and crack width detection. Click on crack depth detection to enter the crack depth detection interface. Detection parameter settings. Before the formal inspection, the parameters for crack testing need to be set up first. Click on the parameter in the crack depth detection interface to enter the parameter setting interface, which is divided into sampling parameters and advanced parameters. In the sampling parameter interface, the following settings can be made. Project name. A new project name can be created. You can also switch to an existing project. Component name. Click to create a new component. It is also possible to switch to an existing component. Crack name. Click to create a new crack. It is also possible to switch to the existing crack. Default spacing. The distance between the inner edge of the transmitting transducer and the receiving transducer. The default spacing starts from 100 mm and ends at 250 mm. When the default ranging does not meet the detection requirements, you can select custom spacing measurement, and then manually enter the start distance and the distance increment. Start distance. It's the distance between the inner edge of the transmitting transducer and the receiving transducer at the first measurement point. Distance increment. It's the distance increased by the second measurement point compared to the first one. Sound velocity. It's obtained through tests without crossing seams. Click on non-cross measurement to conduct the actual measurement. Each crack must undergo a non-cross crack test before a cross crack test can be conducted. First, mark the measurement point position on one side of the crack using the attached crack depth measurement positioning ruler. Then apply coupling agent to the two transducers and keep one of them always close to the middle of the transducer positioning line. Place the other transducer in the corresponding positions, from near to far in sequence, and measure the speed of sound. Click on non-cross measurement on the main unit to start the detection. During the test, the transducer must not slip. Click sample to start the formal testing. After the image stabilizes, click stop. Then click save, and the value of the first measurement will be saved. Then measure the next spacing. Each time a measurement is made, it is necessary to ensure that the transducer is well coupled with the detection surface, and there should be no foreign objects or bubbles. After all the sound velocity values of the 5 ranging times have been saved, click Confirm to return to the previous interface. This interface will display the just measured speed of sound value. In the Advanced Parameters interface, the following settings can be made. Sampling interval. It can be selected from 0.05 to 1 microsecond, and the system default is 0.25 microsecond. Sampling length. It records the number of waveform points, which can be selected from 512 points to 4096 points. Launch voltage. It is the excitation voltage value, when the tester excites the emission transducer to generate ultrasonic pulses. There are multiple ranges available from 65 volts to 1000 volts. Zero sound time. It is the acoustic delay of the tester and the transducer system. The measured sound time value must eliminate the zero sound time. Apply the coupling agent to the two transducers, attach the radiation surfaces together, and then click on zeroing. The device will start to collect the sound time value. After the image stabilizes, click stop and the collection is complete. Click Confirm to return to the previous interface. You can also manually enter the zero sound time. After the settings are completed, click on Sample to save the modifications, and then you will enter the detection interface. Data collection. First, use the attached crack depth measurement positioning ruler to set up measurement points, and avoid honeycomb and pitted surfaces. If the test surface is uneven, the area near the test point can be ground, and then the test can be conducted again. Then apply coupling agent to the transducer, and press it tightly onto the measurement point for testing. During the test, the transducer must not slip. Click on Sample. The system begins to collect data. After testing for the required data, click Stop, and then click Save. The data will be saved. Continue testing the next ranging. Note, the current crack can only be saved after saving 4 distance measurements and calculating the crack depth. After saving the test results multiple times, click Exit, and the system will prompt whether to save. Then exit the interface. If you want to retest, you can select the data that needs to be retested and click Retest. Data viewing. On the crack depth detection interface, click on Data to enter the Data View interface. Click on a certain crack to view the specific data of that crack. On this interface, before each project name and component name, there is a selection box. After selecting it, click Delete to delete the data. If we want to export data, we can insert a USB flash drive into the instrument. Click to enter the data viewing interface. Select the project or component you need to export, and click Export USB to export the data. We plug the USB flash drive into the computer, open the management software for crack depth detection, click on Crack Depth Detection, click Import from USB drive, that is, import the data in the USB flash drive into the software. We can view or process these data and generate a test report. Crack Width Detection Interface. On the main interface of the system, click on Crack Width Detection to enter the Crack Width Observation interface. This interface includes the display area and operation area. The display area can show the real-time image of the crack width, and display the component number, crack name, and test point number above the screen. Function Options area. It consists of 6 function buttons. Click Parameter to enter the parameter setting interface. The settings for project name, component name and crack name are the same as those for crack depth detection parameters. Threshold adjustment. It can be switched between blurred, standard, and sharp. The system default is standard. Calibrate. Enter the password 48 to access the instrument calibration interface and perform instrument calibration. Click on Pair to enter the interface for pairing. Once the system searches for the instrument number, click on that number, and the system will automatically pair the probe. Unpair. Enter 8888 to unpair the main unit with the microscopic probe. Click on Sample, and re-enter the crack width observation interface to start the inspection. Click Confirm to lock the display area screen, which will have a static effect. Click Cancel to unlock the screen, and the screen will return to a dynamic effect. Black and white image. You can switch the display area to a black and white image. In this state, clicking Confirm will lock the effect of the black and white image. Click on Cancel, then click Raw Image to return to the original image screen. Click Data to enter the data viewing interface. Click Exit to exit the crack width observation interface, and return to the main interface. Data collection. First, turn on the probe and pair it with the main unit. Place the probe vertically on the surface of the observation component, ensuring that the center line of the probe is tightly pressed near the center of the crack to be measured. After the picture stabilizes, click the Take Photo button on the probe to lock the picture. If you need to manually determine the crack boundary, you can drag the blue arrow to select the boundary to be measured. After the picture stabilizes, click Save, and the crack width observation of this measurement point is completed. If you need to observe the next component or the next crack, you can click on Parameter, click on New. Set new component or crack names. Just click on Sample, and you are done. Data viewing. On the crack width detection interface, click on Data to view the detection data of the cracks. Click on a certain crack to view the specific data of that crack. Click on Back to return to the previous interface. Data deletion and data export can be referred to the operation of crack depth detection. System settings. Click the System settings on the main menu interface to enter the System settings interface. This interface includes 4 functions. Instrument information. You can modify information such as the verified date, verified cycle, inspector, and so on. Customization. It mainly includes system time, hibernation, language, and so on. Update. Click on Update to update the instrument program via a USB flash drive. About us. It shows the company information.